guys, everyone. So I don't know how much I'll be able to film today because I actually forgot my selfie stick and I'm not trying to hold my arm out all day. So I mean, I'll try, of course, but yeah, I don't know. I am going quad riding today on quads. If you guys don't know what quads are, they're like four-wheelers, and I'm super excited about that because I've never been. So yeah. This is where we are now, in the middle of the desert, the Afagay desert right now. The guy just commended me on my driving. I don't know how I suck at go-karts, but I'm really good at this. We've made a stop. Oui, okay. This is awesome. I'm doing amazing. Oh guys, it is so beautiful out here. Look at the skies. I'll show you guys around. We're in the middle of the desert right now. I don't know if you guys could hear me. I'm sure you can, but yeah, we're in the desert. This is like such an amazing experience. This is like a bucket list experience because I've never ridden an ATV before or quad in the desert. Who does that? So yeah, look how blue the sky is. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Oh, I'm like blocking the camera. Okay. I'll show you guys the rest of this stuff. Blue skies. We're alright. It's chilly out here too. It's really chilly. These are our bikes, and of course I chose the black one because black is my favorite besides purple. And I didn't want a red bike, and it didn't match my outfit, so. I mean, there's not really much to show except for sand and dirt. Like, yeah. Oh, I wish I could show you guys me riding it. I can only show front and not back. Sorry. There's this little town right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's it. We're riding out again. Hopefully I can show you guys something. Just turned on our bike. Ready to go. Ready to get the inside. We're stopping to drink some Berber, no, not Berber, some Moroccan tea right now. I had sand literally, look at my body. This is all sand right here. It has sand all over my hands. It's all sand. It's making me look super ashy, which is cool. But we got like in a freaking race, and like these girls were trying to get in front of me. I'm number one. Like, I was the first, like, when we started, and these girls got in front of me, so I'm like, okay, cool, I won't let my ego get the best of me. They could go. But then, like, this other girl got in front of me, and then I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna be fourth, because, like, the driver's the first, technically, but, like, I'm not gonna be, like, fourth. And, like, when you're in the back, the stand hits you a lot. So I'm like, no, this isn't happening. So I literally kind of, like, risked my life a little bit and became, like, a freaking race car driver real quick and just got back in front. So, yeah. I was like, let me not let my ego get the best of me, but now I'm just like, nope. And yeah, it was amazing. Show you guys the area. This is where we'll be having tea. Over here. And there's camels over there too. There are camels everywhere. I mean, I guess this is Africa, so that makes sense. You guys, I had to get like the bigger helmet because my head was big as hell, and yep, I didn't know how big my head was. Now I know. We're back at the base. I don't even know how to take this off. How do you take this off? Yeah. You guys could see my big old head.
Oh, dusty, but it was worth it.
Oh. Ouch. You guys see the sand around my mouth? Ooh. That was amazing. Ooh. They're gonna blow us off now. We are leaving now. Bye bye. I'm on the way back to the hotel now. My hotel. What an amazing day. I'll tell you guys more when I get there. Okay guys, so I am back in my hotel room right now, and I am not tired whatsoever, but I don't think I'm going to do anything else for today, only because it's about to be dark soon. But riding the four-wheelers was like super exciting, and it's definitely something that I surprised myself in doing because I was actually really good. I've gone go-karting before, and I absolutely sucked at go-karting, but I think it's like a fear factor type of thing. Because I was not scared whatsoever. I'm like, I feel like a bad bee on this. So, I guess that's what it was, because I wasn't scared of like crashing, and it was like extremely open space. So like, even if I went like the wrong way, I would have still been on like a trail either way. At first, like, it was kind of like hard, only because, you know, the first time trying anything, it's kind of hard. But like, once I got the hang of it, I was literally like the best driver there, and I'm not even like bragging. The guy commended me on how well I was driving as well. And you guys saw at one point, like, it became like a full-on like little competition with the other girls and I, because they were trying to get in front of me, and I'm just like, what the heck? And I couldn't have that. My ego couldn't have that. So I'm just like, no. And I literally like risked my life. Not like, you know, like anything extreme, but like yeah, I was like, this isn't gonna happen. You guys got to get back to where you belong, behind me. I shouldn't say that, but it was like really nice, fun competition, and of course I won, and and it was nice. Like the whole experience was nice. We stopped to get tea, which I didn't really want to like record because I felt like it was like more intimate. The girls and I got to talking to each other. We got to know each other a little bit, and yeah, and we stopped to take pictures, which you guys saw as well. It was very nice, and it was like a really nice experience. And to be in the desert riding was super fun as well. Like I said, it was an open space, so there's really no room for mistakes. So thanks for watching once again, and I will see you guys in the next video, whatever that's gonna be. If you like this video, you could like, subscribe, comment, or whatever you want to do. And oh, follow me on Instagram. I am at Perpetual Bliss. Bliss with Bliss. Bliss. Perpetual Bliss on Instagram, and anything else that I need to say, I'll just leave in the description box. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.